Place the hangers against the oven rack and secure them with zip ties. Once tightened, the whole structure will be stable and easy to hang. The rack works like a large hanger for small items, such as socks for drying. Nothing slips off and everything dries faster. A simple trick that really makes drying laundry easier. A regular washing machine can dry your laundry too. Every machine has this function, and your clothes can come out just as dry as from a dryer. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time. No need to set up a drying rack that takes up space in your room. You'll save time and effort. How is this possible? It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. After washing, don't take them out immediately. Instead, add a fluffy towel to the drum. If there's enough space, add 2. Then run the spin cycle at the highest speed. The dry towels will absorb the moisture from your clothes. By the end of the cycle, your laundry will feel like it came straight from a dryer. For even better results, set the highest spin speed during the wash cycle. A final spin with dry towels will make drying even more effective. Stop hanging wet clothes the usual way. There's a smarter method that saves space and time. Most people hang shirts lengthwise over the metal bars of the drying rack, which means you can only fit about 5 shirts per wing. But here's the trick. That same space can hold twice as many if you hang them differently. Grab each shirt by the bottom hem and clip it sideways across the width of the rack, not along the bars. Hang the next shirt right next to it, the same way. This way, clothes don't overlap so they dry faster and more evenly. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts on one wing. It's not just space-saving. Better air circulation means quicker drying. And here's a bonus. Shirts hung by the hem tend to straighten under their own weight, which makes ironing easier or even unnecessary. A simple change, but it makes a big difference. Never hang wet clothes the usual way. I have a trick for drying clothes quickly in winter, and it keeps my home free of excess moisture. When I need to wear wet clothes, I use the burrito method. When hanging wet clothes on a drying rack, I pay attention to one crucial detail that most people overlook. Clothes should be spaced out to allow free airflow between them. This significantly speeds up the drying process. If I need a freshly washed item dried quickly, I use the burrito method. Lay a wet shirt on a towel, roll it up tightly, and press firmly from the center outward to absorb moisture. As shown in the video, leave the rolled towel for a few minutes, then unroll it. Next, I iron the shirt, starting on the inside and, if the fabric allows, on the outside. This helps evaporate the last traces of water. For collars or thick seams, I use a hairdryer for extra drying. By combining these 3 methods, my clothes are dry in less than 20 minutes, and I don't need a tumble dryer at home. Add this ingredient to your laundry and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. I don't throw away eggshells. They are too valuable. You'll be surprised at what they can be used for. Our grandmothers already used this simple trick. Eggshells contain many minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, selenium, copper, silicon, and sulfur. Few people know that eggshells also contain antibacterial substances. However, their main ingredient is calcium carbonate, and because of this component, they have many uses. Next time you peel boiled eggs or make scrambled eggs, don't throw the shells away. Leave them and collect them. Rinse them from any remaining membrane and egg white. Dry them with a towel and let them air dry on a radiator. Grind the dry eggshells into fine powder using a coffee grinder. Squeeze the juice from 1 lemon. A delicate foam will appear. Add a glass of water and mix. Pour this prepared mixture into the washing machine. Add detergent as usual and start the laundry. The calcium carbonate in the eggshells is a natural whitener and stain remover. Used for laundry, it whitens clothes. You can also use just the eggshells. Simply put them in a bag and toss them into the washing machine with white laundry. The gray shade on t-shirts and underwear will disappear after the first wash.
Toss a wet wipe into your dark laundry load. This is a handy trick to solve an annoying issue. Most people have no clue about this hack. Turns out, wet baby wipes have more uses than you might think. They come in handy when you're doing dark laundry. All you need to do is throw 2 damp wet wipes into the washing machine drum and set a regular cycle. Often during the laundry process, some lint and stubborn hairs get stuck on certain clothes. They're particularly noticeable on dark fabrics. The wet wipe trick comes to the rescue. Its fabric attracts and captures lint and hairs. Instead of sticking to your clothes, they end up on the wet wipe. After the laundry is done, simply toss the wipes in the trash. Your black clothes will look good as new, and you won't have to deal with those annoying lint particles.